How to add an audio fade out in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and go to the edit page where your audio clip is placed on the timeline. Locate the audio track you want to fade out. Next, hover your mouse over the end of the audio clip on the timeline until you see a small white handle appear near the top right corner of the clip. Click and drag this handle to the left to create a fade out. You will see the audio waveform gradually decrease, which means the volume is lowering smoothly towards silence. If you want more control, you can also use the keyframe method. To do this, expand the audio track to make it easier to work with. Then, hold the Alt key and click on the audio volume line to add keyframes. On near where you want the fade to start and on at the very end of the clip. Drag the last keyframe all the way down to the bottom of the track to create a smooth fade out effect over the selected time. You can adjust the position of these keyframes to make the fade shorter or longer, depending on how gradually you want the audio to disappear. Finally, play back your timeline to check the fade out. If needed, tweak the fade duration by moving the handles or keyframes until it sounds just right. And that's it. Now you know how to add an audio fade out in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.